We're going to start in on our potatoes first because they're going to take the longest, and even though we are making mashed potatoes, we will be finishing them in the oven. So the first thing we're going to do is turn our burner up to 375 degrees, and then we're going to take a stick of our butter and we're going to grease the bottom of our pan so that once our potatoes are mashed, they won't stick while we're baking them. We're going to move this aside, turn our back burner up to 8, and then we're going to fill our pan here about a quarter of the way with water. We'll bring this back to the oven, and then we will go ahead and wash our potato. Make sure all the dirt is off it. And then we're going to go over it looking for any eyes that have grown. We'll remove those. And once they're gone, we'll discard them. And we're going to cut our potato in half, and we're going to lay it flat, cut side down, so that while we're cutting it, it doesn't slide around so we don't cut ourselves. And I'm going to cut each potato the same way so that they will cook evenly. So a 3 and cut twice to make 3 stripes, and then twice again to make 3. And then I'm going to bring a potato over to the water, and instead of just dumping them in, I'm actually going to throw them in one by one to make sure that each piece is cut and doesn't stick together. And then we'll wait for these to come to a boil.